Hello guys, so this is the Hindalco chart, and so on 14th of September, you know that Nifty gap down and the market rally was like anything, and most of the stock went up on that day. I did make money out of Bank Nifty and several other stocks in options, but this is something which was on a spontaneous trade, I would say, based on the market conditions. So when I realized that okay, the market is going to trend throughout the day, I thought I would make use of the rally, and I was going through a lot of Nifty stocks quickly, and Hindalco was in my watch list for a very long time. I was waiting for this triangle breakout. Okay, um, so what happened was this is a very good fall, and you can say that this is kind of a relief move, right? And the Hindalco was consolidating. Probably it can move up or down. I was expecting it to move up. What happened was, on that day I found that okay, this is the day Hindalco is going to make a very good move after a lot of rejection. So I was waiting for this breakout to happen. Okay, and exactly at 100 and sorry, not 100, 115, I posted this on my community as well. Where is that? So here, look at this. Hindalco 430 CE is what we traded. So what happened was, um, the entry was here right after in the options. Okay, I'm just talking in terms of options. I deployed around 10 lakhs. I did not allocate much. It's just 10, I mean 10 lakh is huge, but if you compare my other allocation, this is a little bit less. So I was quite confident. Two reasons: I was waiting for Hindalco breakout for a very long time. Okay, I was closely watching it, and since the market was really good on that day, the market was rallying, right? I thought, okay, this is the day I'm gonna make use of it and make money. And this is when I bought Hindalco 430 CE, and a very good move, guys. I mean, excellent move. Just in like next 1 hour or so, we all made money. So yeah, we did make money from this community. This chart, look at this: 5,000, 10,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 7,000, 8,000, 31,000, which is like what, almost twice of our membership fee, 7,000. So yeah, this is how we make money, guys. So last month we made, I mean, if you have been trading options, you and if you are a part of the community, you would have made more than at least 1 lakh. Like, we traded Hindustan Unilever, we traded McDowell's. So those videos will be coming up, and if you want to make a consistent income, and if you want to be a part of our community, feel free to join our membership. Just for traders.in, you'll find all the information. Okay, and I think I made around 40%, probably 39% or 38%, something around that. So just keep one rule, that I generally have this rule that whenever I enter into any call options or something like that, and it shoots up like 30% or 40%, somewhere between 20 to 40% in a day, or even in intraday, I just close it. I don't care about the risk reward ratio. I probably would even comfortable re-entering next day or after 2 days. So keep this rule. Whenever you buy an options, and if it shoots up like 30-40%, you don't want anything more than that, you can just close it. Okay, because the ROI, look at it, I made 4 lakhs out of 10 lakhs. I don't want anything more than that. I think it paid off because of my patience. I did not trade any of this, any of the day. And I was planning, I mean, I did miss. Okay, I would have entered in this trade probably if I had noticed. But on that day, on 13th September, I was busy with another trade, and I didn't even notice actually. So yeah, what happened, I just closed it right after this point. So after I reach 40% ROI, I just closed it, and I didn't want any other. ROI more than that. Okay, and what happened next? The market didn't support Hindalco, and apparently it's a fake breakout as well. So it just went down, and it even broke. And there was even another opportunity, I would say, after this. Let me delete this. Look at this. This is broken, and again went up for a pullback, and again in this candle we could have definitely entered, although I didn't. um, this green candle is again a very good place to enter, and look at this, a very good fall. I'm sure if I had allocated like 10 lakhs, probably I would have made something like 10 lakhs or so in puts, more than what I made here. But okay, uh, I didn't look at it. Okay, that's the truth. And I mean, after I made money in this, I didn't even want to look at Hindalco. That's what. So Hindalco for now, it doesn't look good, to be honest, to buy, or I wouldn't either sell here. All right, so it's in a no buy no sell range. Probably if you had shorted here, I still would book my profit here. I don't want anything more than that in options, I mean. Okay, and but it is also very important to note that Hindalco has broken out of this monthly time frame, which is like starting from 2007, correct? So it has taken, you can say that it has taken a support. Probably it is going towards a next support here, and then move again. So it is better to keep an alert around this area, so that you can trade next time when there is an opportunity. So yes, that is all about this trade, and let me know if you have any doubts about this trade. And thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like this video. Thank you.